All right, so now we have some white basmati rice that we have soaked in some water, and then we're gonna rinse it until it becomes clear and dump it in our pot. So let's do it. I had to pivot and like kind of substitute some of my seasonings, but I still have some coriander, some fennel seeds, some ground ginger instead of fresh ginger. I have garlic here, and then I also have a clove of garlic, which I'm gonna dice up the whole thing and put into our mix. So rice, I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil and salt to taste, and that's it for right now. I also could not get to the Indian store for serrano peppers, curry leaves, so I'm just actually substituting it with a little bit of curry powder, some sage, ground sage, and also some jerk paste for the spice. So let's see how this works. Those are in, let's add in our onions and garlic. This is not in the recipe. I never follow instructions. I'll add salt, garlic, spice, jerk paste. A quick mix with your hands. Put this to the side. And our tomatoes. Go ahead and add in our other seasonings. Let's doing this thing. Let's go ahead and chop up our cauliflower. Add your cauliflower in. And per the instructions, make sure that every cauliflower is coated. Everybody deserves a little bit of love. A few more tomatoes. This baby is ready to rest. That's her. And all right, y'all, so I don't have a lemon or a lime, so I'm gonna go with pineapple, and it's out of the can. Okay, now we're gonna add in our tofu that we already had marinated.